So anyways, yeah, kind of stopped me in my tracks, the whole thing.
Sorry, yeah. So your plan now is basically just to brainstorm.
Start over. I'm
Brainstorm.
gonna start over. Fuck it. Let's build another chassis.
I mean, might as well.
Fucking.
Might
Let's
as well,
redo
yeah.
some shit.
Yeah,
Let's
might
get
as
some
well.
new motors and fucking.
Yeah, let's try square ones this time.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Square peg, round hole. So your plan is to brainstorm, and then you have to redo this top motor plate where the controllers are, and hopefully that will be the only change.
We've designed it already. We're ready to cut it out. We went and got the material.
So the original piece that you have will not work.
No.
Okay.
We have to totally redesign a totally different place or piece because I'm not going to make that window opening, the two window openings. I'm going to bring those in and I'm just going to add a slight slant and that should cover the side panels. Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha.
So I
it
think
will be
we're
almost
ready.
like kind of sunk in
And I might be able to use the electrical wraps and everything I did. It might actually be a little bit better. It might give me a little more room how tight it was in there, you know. It's going to spread that out just a little bit more and give us a little bit more room.
Okay. How much time do you think this will add to the build?
I think we've added at least 4 months to this. At least. It depends. They're being very cautious with me.
Ah, shoot.
right,
Well, you know, I'm not one of those guys that says he can afford it because it doesn't matter what he can afford or can't afford. It's a matter of getting it done in a costly manner. You know what I mean?
I wanted to change the way the motors appeared, but I didn't want to be doing plastic surgery and adding a nose, so to speak, where there isn't one. Once I realized the controllers have to be there and the wiring has to go into the motors from there's no reason they have to be stacked. They can be on top of the motors at an angle. I just wanted to be organic to how it looks.